Good morning, everybody. Josh, he's out with Breakthrough Real Estate Property Management. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Today we got a great story about the right home happening at the right time for the right person. Let's get right to it. So with enough complaints, I decided to get up early again and start taking my walks in the morning, no matter what. So I appreciate everybody's feedback about my dark videos, taking walks with Yosh. So today, oh, by the way, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please share. Check out our swag page. Check us out on Patreon. Yada, yada, yada. Thank you. Okay, so I'm having an allergy attack, so I thought this would be kind of funny because I might sneeze like 10 times during the middle of the story. So anyway, here we go. The right home happens at the right time for the right person. So I had a client named Michelle. She absolutely amazing. I mean, she was a dog lover. She would, I forget what she did, but she would always show up in scrubs, so I forget exactly what she did. But just a really, really, really nice younger lady. And, you know, as a realtor, I love helping younger people in general because it's just a sign that they're doing things right, you know, and you can't help but just be proud of them. I love helping everybody, but specifically, you know, if somebody's in their 20s and are buying a home, you know, that says something. So anyway, helping her, and we were looking, and she's, you know, first time buyer, single person, entry-level position in her wonderful career. And so she found a home finally that she just absolutely fell in love with. Okay, and this is back in 2000, let's say 10, and bank going home. And at that point in time, the banks, this might have been 2009, the banks, obviously, you buy the home as is, you're allowed to have your inspection period, you just don't even ask for repairs, nothing, you know, just so you know what you're getting into. So we have our inspection, and the home came back with polybutylene plumbing. Unfortunately, that had, if you know anything about it, it was this horrible plumbing inside homes that started getting these pinhole-sized holes in the plumbing, and so you develop leaks all over your house, wherever it's at. And most lenders would not lend on that home, and you would need to get it fixed in order to be able to qualify for that home, especially while she was doing an FHA loan. So anyway, of course, realized that was bad, but we had to ask for them to repair it anyway because we had no choice. She loved the home, knowing that they were probably not going to do it. They didn't do it, so we canceled the deal. We move on, and we're looking. Months later, haven't found the home. One day, I get a call from that listing agent saying, "Hey, remember this house? You put an offer in on it with your client." It's like, "Yeah, I remember that home." She's like, "Are you still looking?" Heck yeah, she's still looking. We haven't found another home since. She absolutely fell in love with that home. Forgive me, my eyes are watering. And so I was like, well, I think the bank will make the repairs now if your client wants to put an offer in on it again. It's like, seriously? So immediately put the offer in, get the offer accepted. They actually did the repairs, plus some others, and we closed on it within, I don't know, you know, as fast as the lender could do it. But this is months later, and I'm telling you, my client was bummed. I mean, when you fall in love with a home, don't get it. I mean, get it, but then don't get it afterwards, even worse. And then when you're trying to find another home to even compete and you can't, you know, it's just like, oh my gosh. So she was seriously giving up. And oh my gosh, when we got that phone call, she was literally in tears because she was so happy. So amazing, right? So that was one of my first experiences truly believing that the right home happens at the right time for the right person. You know, have faith. If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. But if it is, it is. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, follow us. Hit that like button, hit subscribe with that bell notifications. Check us out on Patreon. I mean, check out our swag page, man. I'm really impressed with this store. All right, talk to you later.